Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Are you looking for ways to make money online? Whether you want to supplement your income or work from the comfort of your own home, the internet provides countless opportunities for online earning. In this YouTube short video, we'll explore 10 legitimate ways to earn money online. So, let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. Discover how to offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. 2. Online surveys. Learn about reputable websites that pay users for completing surveys and sharing their opinions. 3. Content creation. Explore the world of content creation on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok, and how you can monetize your videos or live streams. 4. Affiliate marketing. Find out how you can earn commissions by promoting products or services through affiliate links. 5. Online tutoring. Explore the demand for online tutoring and how platforms like VIPKid or Chegg can connect you with students around the world. 6. Dropshipping. Learn about the concept of setting up an online store without inventory and how to profit from selling products directly to customers. 7. Online writing. Discover various opportunities for freelance writers, including blogging, copywriting, and content writing. 8. Virtual assistants. Learn how you can provide administrative or specialized services remotely, assisting businesses or individuals online. 9. Stock photography. Explore how you can earn money by selling your photos on stock photography websites. 10. Online courses. Find out how you can create and sell your own online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, leveraging your expertise in a specific subject. Conclusion. There you have it, 10 legitimate ways to earn money online. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, or any other method, remember that building a sustainable online income takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right mindset and consistency, you can turn your online earning goals into a reality. Good luck on your journey. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.